baby's asleep in his room, which is kind of right there, but he should be fine. But if I'm a little more hushed than normal, that's why. But hello friends, so basically I want to give our master bathroom a refresh, a revamp, declutter, redo some organization, redecorate some things, and just, I wasn't vibing with this space. I hate when people say this space, but it was necessary. If you recall, if you saw it, if you were around then, when we first moved in, I uploaded a video about unpacking and organizing the bathroom. I will link it up in the corner if you want to see it. And I mentioned in that video that like I found unpacking and organizing really overwhelming because when you're living in a new place, you don't really know, like, you don't know how you're gonna use the space. You don't know what's gonna work and what's not gonna work. But in that video I said, things can always be reorganized, revamped. So that's exactly what we're here to do today. First of all, my drawers and cabinets are overrunning with products, and I would like to do a really, really ruthless declutter, and I'm hoping I can. But I tend to be kind of a skincare junkie, and you know, there's a bunch of products I wanna try. It's just whether or not I can get through all these products before they go bad. And my drawers are just overflowing. So I would like to get rid of a lot of products today, reorganize, and just in general in the room, reorganize, revamp, give it a deep clean because I could probably use that. Some new decor stuff, which you'll see all of that. I feel like my issue with this room was that the tile I don't hate, but it's not something that I would have gone for on my own. It's slightly outdated, and eventually I would love to gut it, get new countertops, redo like the backsplash tile, and there's a whole bathtub behind you that has more of the tile. We just have plans, and the shower too. Like, we have plans for this bathroom, but they're not plans that would happen anytime soon. So in the meantime, I wanted to try and work with the like boho chic vibes of this tile and just try to make it work. So I got some really cute prints we're gonna hang. I got some new, like a new bath shelf decor. I would like to turn it into more of a jungle. Some new bath mats. So we're just doing a refresh, a revamp, and I'm gonna share the whole process with you if you're into that. And honestly, I've been putting off like decluttering and going through the drawers because I was like, I don't have the organization that I want, because I would like to get like the Lazy Susan things for products, but every time I look at them I feel overwhelmed because I don't know exactly what I want. So I figured, let's declutter first, see what we're left with, see what we're working with. Then from there I can order, and then we can organize. So today we're starting small. We're just gonna declutter until my baby wakes up. Yeah, I'll show you the drawer we're working with. So this is my main problem drawer. Like, wow. Just so much stuff. It used to have some organization to it. It does not anymore. So I want to fix that. And this is so embarrassing. But also this, like I can't even, this is not functionable for me. So let's get to decluttering. There's a leaf in here. How the hell did a leaf get in there? But I want to declutter this. Also, like my side medicine cabinet just overflowing, and a lot of the stuff I don't even like or use. So let's just start getting rid of stuff. We're switching to voiceover mode. So I've had this Lazy Susan that I use to keep our medicines in, and I love it. So I ordered another one on Amazon, and I decided to keep backup skincare just so I could get it out of the drawer, put it in the cabinet, and then use this drawer for other things. So I basically categorized all the stuff that I had: cleansers, scrubs, masks, all that stuff. And so in the drawer I put masks, serums, and eye cream, and then in the Lazy Susan I have everything else: face sprays, sunscreen, all that kind of stuff. Then I have this little drawer system that has lip products and some mask stuff, my body products, and then just random stuff like witch hazel, coconut oil, stuff I use in the bathroom all the time, backup body butters, some of my like skincare gadgets like my quartz roller and my dry brush, backup shave heads, razor heads, just a bunch of random stuff. So yeah, in the top drawer I have lip stuff, in the second drawer I have my Foreo sheet masks, and then I have just big sheet masks in the bottom one. And then I went through my medicine cabinet, which for the most part I use everything in here. There was just a few extra things that like I didn't like, so I got rid of those, just took everything out and wiped everything down. And in the end of decluttering, this is a huge portion of what I was getting rid of. I did set aside some stuff to give to my sister, but this pile was mostly stuff that needed to be cleaned out and recycled. Everything was dried up or expired, a lot of expired Lush stuff, but I'm really pleased with the amount of stuff I cleared out. And with the new organization down below and in the drawers, I can really see everything I have, I know everything I have, and everything I have I will use. Now moving on to the storage by the bathtub, the stuff I was keeping my bath bombs and bubble bars in. This was the real problem that I needed to solve, because as much as I loved having it in here, I didn't like the way it looked, and it made a mess because it's an open basket and these are Lush products that crumble. So I decided to take my bath bombs and put them back into the original form I had them in my old apartment, which is the bath bomb jar. I love the bath bomb jar. I think it's a really pretty decor piece, so I just fit all my bath bombs back in there. This was a while ago when I had a lot of bath bombs. And then I decided to make bubble bar dust. I had a lot of bubble bars I was feeling overwhelmed with, and I've seen people do this on Instagram where they chop up their bubble bars and they just make dust that you can just take a handful and put it in the tub. It works just as well, and I just feel like this was a quicker way of getting through my bubble bars because they're all close to probably being old and expired, but I just chopped them all up and put them in this pretty jar, and every time I take a bath I just take a handful, and it smells really good because it's a good combo of things. I actually transferred them into this cute pink jar I got at HomeGoods a while ago, but yeah, it's just fun and colorful. To be honest, it's not quite as pretty as I thought it would be, which is why I put it into not a clear jar. But it's really effective, it smells really good, and yeah, I just think it looks a little bit neater and cleaner. So then I put that and my bath bomb jar in this really cute rattan shelf that I got from World Market. I've mentioned it on my channel a couple of times before, but I just like this so much better for storage. I think it matches the boho vibe of the bathroom a little bit better. I keep some skincare, bath salts, extra bath bombs, all that kind of stuff, and I love the way it looks. I have some candles, the tall candlestick and the candlestick itself I got from World Market. I'll have everything I can linked down below, but the other one I got at Pottery Barn. It's just a random, or maybe Crate and Barrel, I don't know. It's a random candle. But then it was time. I've been waiting for months for this, but I am wanting to train this plant to grow around the window. So I started the first little command hook right there in the center, and I've been waiting for it to grow long enough that I can put a second one on the end, and it's finally there, and it's perfect. And the way I angled the command hook has the next leaf that's growing kind of going up, because the next phase will be training it to go up. So I think this looks amazing. I could not be more excited about this. Like I said, I've been waiting for it for months. It's gonna take a while for it to like fully grow all the way around the window, but I'm willing to wait. It's recently hit me how much pressure it'll be to keep the plant alive, so I'm giving it a water as well as my little string of dolphins, I think that's what this is called, which has seen better days, but it's pretty resilient. I neglect it, but it still is alive. It just needs some TLC, but that's in a cute little pot I got for $2 on sale at Crate and Barrel. But yeah, so I love the plants, and then we moved on to my prints. I am so excited about these. These are colorful cartoon boobs and butts. And pardon the pun, but I liked how cheeky they were. I just like how they're just fun and colorful and cartoons. And they're boobs and butts, so it fits the like naked theme of the bathroom. I wanted some fun prints to put above the shelf by the bathtub, and these were perfect. I actually found these on Etsy from a Ukrainian artist that it was just a digital download, so I wanted to support them without them having to ship me anything, so this was perfect, and I am in love with them. So I ordered these frames off Amazon. They're a little bit glary, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but I feel like anything would be glary. It's just up against the window. But Bradley used his expertise to hang them, and I am in love with them. I love the colors. I just love everything about them. Every time I'm in the bathroom, between the plant and the new shelf, and everything's nice and clean, and it just has such good vibes in here, and the prints just add such a fun color to the room as well. I also got this really fun new bath runner from Urban Outfitters. They have so many fun ones to choose from, but I loved the colors of this. And also, if you look at it at the right angle, it looks like the turning red panda. So that's fun. But I loved the pink and the blue with like the orange in it. And it is Milo approved. Every time he crawls past the bathroom, he wants to go touch it because he loves the colors. But it also matched the mat that I bought by the shower. I just wanted a navy one. I also got this on Amazon. It's super comfy, absorbs water really well. And then of course we just have Ludo's water bowl from Target. I'll try to link that down below if it's still available. I love it. But yeah, that is everything I've done so far to the revamped bathroom. There's a few other things we want to do. We're thinking about wallpapering the toilet room since it's just a small area. A few more accessories. I want to get like a hand towel ring because there's not one in here, and just some random stuff. But for now, I really cleared product out and I reorganized and redecorated, and I love being in this room. I can't even tell you. Every time I'm in there, I'm like, wow, this is good vibes. So yeah, I'm just loving the new decor and all the organization even. Like I just can really see what I have. Of course, once you declutter, you know what you have, so you're more aware of like what to use up. So I feel like I'm doing a better job going through the stuff that I have. And for me, I learned in all areas of organization that I just really enjoy seeing all the products that I have. It really helps me just be more visual and know what to use up. So, and also when everything has a place, it makes it really easy to keep it clean, I found. So once I've reorganized the medicine cabinet, there's a lot less stuff out on the counter. This is the counter, by the way. We just have some soap, our toothbrush thing, some lotion, and then we have a snake plant, which is doing really, really well. It was just those two smaller shoots, and then it shot up these two new leaves, and they're so tall. I might try and break them apart, but yeah, like I said, guys, I just love being in here. It's really good vibes, really nice and colorful. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little bathroom refresh video. I will have everything linked down below that I can. And yeah, stay tuned for some more decluttering. I have my nail polish declutter coming up really soon. I already filmed it. I did a really good job. So I'll see you soon for that. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.